Ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Seen such a remarkable likeness between two people of such different age. Stop. Yet there was a difference, and what a difference! It was done high up on the girl's head above those blue eyes was a wonderful mass of red gold. Stop. Where were the modern painters? I asked myself, waiting to paint this red gold loveliness for future people to look at? Question mark. Such a wonderful thing should be seen by all the world. Stop. It was not enough for it to be kept here, not known, not loved, except by her own family. Stop. How long, I asked myself, could such color last? Question mark. It seemed to burn, and I had the feeling that it would burn itself out. Stop. Para. I turned my eyes back to the mother with her perfect face. Stop. Done high up on her head in the same way was a mass of white. Stop. I looked, and not one touch of color could I see. Stop. My face must have expressed only too clearly my thoughts, for the mother turned to me and said, "Yes, it is very beautiful." Stop. I was just like that once, and look at me now. Stop. All the women in our family are white before they are 30. Stop. Para. It seems to me that there are three principal ways in which we can learn to do things or to understand things: looking, reading, or hearing. Stop. We can watch things done by other people and copy their movements and actions. Stop. This is the way in which we learn when we are very young. Stop. Babies and all young animals, of course, are very quick to copy the acts of their mothers, and in this way they learn a very great amount in a remarkably short time. Stop. We continue throughout our lives to learn in this way, for we are always seeing others do certain things in certain ways and then making some attempts to carry out like acts ourselves. Stop. When we grow up, however, we are able to make observations within much wider limits, and we are free to learn great numbers of things simply by watching. Stop. Not only can we see the life going on round about us, but we have also brought right into the home the moving picture and the TV set. Stop. There is perhaps no more interesting and successful method of learning about other countries than to watch moving pictures that have been taken in those places. Stop. Most of us find it much easier to remember what we have seen than to remember what we have read in a book or have stop and or.